Blood donation is very important since we all know blood is the life sustaining fluid. It helps in giving nutrients and oxygen to various body parts and organs, and it helps in fighting against infection. In absence of blood, a patient gets weak, cannot fight against infections, and will not survive. Sometimes our own body will not produce blood properly because of some diseases, and sometimes due to severe injury like road traffic accidents and major surgeries, there will be huge blood loss. Then a person requires blood, and as we all know, blood is not manufactured in factories. It has to come from a voluntary blood donor of a compatible blood group. So it is very important to have blood donations. Any adult person, both male and female, can donate blood. He or she should be in the age group of 18 to 60 years with hemoglobin 12.5 gram% or more, body weight 45 kgs or more, should be free of any disease and without any immunization in the past 1 month or any blood donation in the past 3 months. There are 4 blood groups according to the ABO system, that is A, B, O and AB. 2 blood types according to the RS system, that is RS positive, RS negative. The A blood group will have A antigen on the red blood cell surface and anti-B antibody in the plasma. The blood group B has B antigen and anti-A antibody in the plasma. O blood group has no antigen and anti-A, anti-B antibody in the plasma. AB blood group has both A and B antigen and no antibody in the plasma. RH blood group, RSD antigen is positive present in RS positive blood group and RSD antigen is absent in RS negative blood group. So, blood group O negative is the universal donor. Any healthy eligible can donate blood. For whole blood, a male can donate every 3 months, that is 4 times a year, and for whole blood, a female can donate every 4 months, that is 3 times a year. For platelet, it is 7 days after donating platelet, and from platelet to whole blood, it is 28 days. From platelet to whole blood, it is again 28 days. The donated blood after its collection is to be tested for TTIs, that is transfusion transmitted infections like HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, syphilis and malaria. Once the blood is tested negative for all these, it is to be centrifuged to separate into 3 transfusible components like packed red cells, platelets and plasma as well as cryoprecipitates. And they are collected in their respective containers and stored accordingly.